Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a first impressions. That's what it is. So I'm doing a first impressions on something that I've been wanting for such a long time, and I got it as a Christmas gift, and it is the Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Magic. Look, I already took it out the packaging because I was so excited to try this product. And I love Glow Recipe, so I have their overnight sleeping mask and I think it's amazing. And I just love that it just is very good for my skin type. I'm sensitive, oily combo, so it's really good. So what I'm gonna do is, I already unboxed it obviously, so it's no longer in here. And I am going to be trying it out. So I already did my mornings, pretty much like my morning skincare wash. So I washed my face with my CeraVe's facial moisturizer, and I am going to go in with each of the products. So in this package, it comes with a Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tightening Mask, the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tightening Toner, and the Watermelon Glow's Niacinamide Dew Drops, which I've been dying to try because I've seen a lot of people use the drops and their skin looks absolutely amazing. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with the mask. So this is the mask. I'm just gonna take a little bit with my brush and put this on my face. One thing I can say, it smells so good. It smells really, really good. And it feels pretty good on the skin. Oh, it has such a pretty scent. All right, I'm just gonna take some more because I obviously don't have enough. And on this side. So this is the mask on. First thing, it does have a scent. So if you're not into scents, you know. But like I said, it's the Watermelon Glow Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tightening Mask. So basically the claims of the mask is that it minimizes the look of pores, it dual exfoliates, it deeply hydrates all skin types using whipped hyaluronic infused clay, watermelon enzymes, PHA, willow bark, BHA, and gentle blueberry seed powder. So has a lot of pretty good things in it. Hyaluronic acid, which helps with the plumping, BHA, exfoliant. So I'm gonna leave this on. It doesn't really say, hold on. It doesn't say how long, but I'm just gonna leave it on till it dries down. So maybe like 5-10 minutes. And then I will wash my face and then we will move on to the next product. So I was wrong. It does tell you the amount of time you should leave the mask on your face. So basically it says that you should leave the mask on for 5 minutes, but that if you have sensitive skin, you can leave it on for 2 minutes and then gradually increase the amount of time that you keep the mask on. So up to 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it off now. Just to give you guys kind of an idea of the sensation, you do feel a very cooling effect on your face. So maybe within like a minute or so, I started to feel that like tightening and that cooling effect on my face. This is how the mask looks after 5 minutes of having it on. So it's pretty dry. There are some areas that are a little more wet than others, but I'm going to take a makeup eraser wipe and I'm just going to wipe my face down. And then I'm just going to take some water and put that also all over my face just to get any remnants off. So the next step is the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tightening Toner. So basically what it says is to put it in the palm of your hands and to pat it on your face. So I'm gonna just give it a little shake. And this is a gentle, alcohol-free pore refining treatment. It has watermelon, PHA, natural BHA, hyaluronic acid, and cactus water to minimize the appearance of pores, boost hydration, and smooth skin. So I put a good amount in my hands. I'm gonna rub it together and then put it on my face. And it said to rub on your face until it is fully absorbed. Okay, the toner is fully absorbed in my skin. My skin feels so soft right now, like really, really soft. So I do love that. And also I love that it just fully absorbs into your skin and it doesn't just sit on top of your skin, which is a plus for me. It does have the distinctive watermelon glow watermelon scent. but it's so far, I love the way it makes my skin feel, and I love the way it's looking right now. So next I'm gonna go into the niacinamide drops, which I've been so excited to try. And this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide 2 drops. So basically it says to take 1 to 2 drops. You can use it as a primer, and then you can also use it as a serum for your face as well. Or you can actually put it on the high points of your face, like your cheekbones and anywhere that you want to basically brighten and to bring out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it all over my face just to try it out. So I'm gonna take 2 pumps like it says. It has a very gel-like texture. I feel like a lot of the products are very gel-like. And then I'm going to just rub it in. Again, it has a very distinct smell. And I honestly can't wait to put this underneath my makeup to see how it does under the layers of makeup. Honestly, just get it. Don't, no questions. Just get it. I mean, this is so pretty. I love the way it just sits on my skin. My skin feels so soft right now, guys, like really soft. And I love that all of these products have really good ingredients in them, and it's just, I love it. So I'm gonna go into the pricing of each product. So this was $49 US. It says a valuation of $67.75 is the price here, but obviously it was purchased for $49. So I am going to let you guys know how much each of these things cost individually. Okay, so these two are $34. I think this might be the full size. This might not be the full size for the niacinamide drops. I am just going to check. So right here is 0.5 fluid ounces. And on Sephora's website, the one that does cost $34 is 1.35 fluid ounces. So obviously you get more in the larger one. The Watermelon Glow's Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tightening Facial. This one is $40, but this is for, obviously, like I stated, the larger container. And the larger container is 2.03 ounces. This is only 0.84 ounces. So you do get a significantly lot more in the full size. And like I said, the PHA and BHA Pore Tightening Toner, I believe this is the full size toner, but I'm gonna just double check so that way if you guys plan on getting it, you can kind of know what size you're gonna be getting, whether it's gonna be bigger than this one. So the size of this one is 5 ounces, which is awesome. You get a lot of toner in here. And the standard size is 5, so if you do get the 5 ounce, it'll be this big and it'll be $34. I would definitely recommend, because like I said, I think it just leaves your skin so soft. Obviously, if you have sensitive skin, you got to be aware of like the fact that it does have scent in it, but overall I think this is really great for tightening your pores and your skin. You know, that specifically is what these 3 kind of do in combination, but I love it. I would definitely recommend it. My first impressions, I would just, it's great. Like if you do like Glow Recipes mission, their products, then I would definitely recommend it. It's something that I'm going to continue to use, and typically after this I will put my sunscreen on, so I will put that on just to offer me protection throughout the day. I would say that I would probably use this more at nighttime, just because it does have like the BHA. The niacinamide drops, I would say this can be used like morning or night, doesn't matter, I feel like. And like clay mask, I tend to like to use it more at nighttime. And then also the toner, I would probably use more at nighttime, although you can use it, like I said, morning, night, doesn't matter. So like I said, I would definitely recommend this product. So if you guys like my first impressions, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.